Hello, if you're over 50, stop eating seeds until you discover this. Does climbing stairs turn your legs into melted lead? Has getting up from a chair become a daily challenge? You have a silent thief devouring your muscles right now. And worse, the seeds that all the experts recommend might be passing through your body like a ghost. Zero absorption, zero results. Sarcopenia, the silent killer, devours 1% of your strength every year after 30. Do the math. That's an entire leg melting away every 15 years. But stay with me because I'm going to review 5 powerful seeds, and the last one is the master key that activates all the others. A discovery that left me as a cardiologist for over 20 years absolutely perplexed. Imagine 5 elite soldiers, each specialized in saving your muscles. Number 5 is your cellular repair team. Number 4 are the famous one that 90% of people waste. Number 3 is your strength generating powerhouse. Number 2 is nature's smartest protein. And number one has 90% digestibility, almost as much as an egg, but with benefits that eggs and meat don't have. Each one attacks sarcopenia from a deadly angle. Together, they're invincible. But attention, there's a fatal mistake in preparation that can turn these seeds into intestinal bombs. Documented cases of obstruction, choking, hospital emergencies. In 30 seconds, I will reveal the fatal mistakes that 90% make. Stay tuned. Now tell me, are your legs no longer the same? What part of the US or the world are you watching from? Write it down below. Let's go. Unmask the enemy. Sarcopenia is not normal aging. It's a reversible process of muscle destruction. The Journal of Cachexia analyzed almost 12,000 people. The conclusion? We lose up to 8% of muscle per decade after 40. But here comes the secret that changed my medical practice. An explosive study from USP, University of São Paulo, discovered that 15 daily grams of specific seeds reduce atrophy markers by 72%. But be careful, exceeding 20 grams can triple your hemorrhagic risk. The dose makes the poison or the cure. The 5 seeds I'm going to review contains the exact combination your body begs for. Starting with the repair team, seed number 5, pomegranate. The repair army. Pomegranate seeds are biological nanorobots. Visualize this. Each little seed, a microscopic worker, working 24/7 to fix inflammation damage. The punicalagins, exclusive pomegranate antioxidants, reduce muscle inflammation by up to 40%. Have you ever felt muscle pain that won't go away? A real story. Carlos, 68 years old, ex-marathoner, doctor. Post-workout pain is retiring me. I asked him to eat half a cup of fresh seeds after each exercise. 3 weeks later, WhatsApp message, Dr. Andre, is it a miracle? The pain disappeared. I'm back to running 10 kilometers. Correct usage. Chew the seeds until they become paste. Why? 83% of anti-sarcopenia compounds are in the seed, not in the juice. The juice alone, expensive weight. Alert! Diabetics, maximum half cup per day. Its natural sugar is high. Seed number 4, Chia and Flaxseed, the misunderstood. Prepare for a shock. Chia and Flaxseed's Instagram's darling can be completely useless. Or worse, dangerous. Do you consume whole flax seeds? It's like swallowing locked safes full of gold. Your body doesn't have the key. Alarming Canadian study: 35% of intestinal obstruction in elderly come from poorly prepared seeds. A patient of mine, 73-year-old, almost died. Dry chia expanded in the esophagus. The truth about preparation: flaxseed always ground fresh. Oils start oxidizing in 15 minutes. Stored ground must be in the fridge for maximum 7 days, or you will be eating rancid. Chia, hydrate 10 to 15 minutes before. 1:10 ratio with water forms a protective gel. When prepared correctly, 18 grams of omega-3 per 100 grams more than salmon, reduce interleukin-6 by 40%, protect muscle fiber like a shield. Are you preparing it wrong? Miss Maria commented on my flaxseed video on my Brazilian channel. Consumed whole flaxseed for 2 years. 0 results. Changed to freshly ground. Doctor, 30 days later, it seems like I changed the oil in my joints. Congratulations, Miss Maria. Seed number 3, pumpkin seeds. The powerhouse. Burn these into your memory. 30 grams of pumpkin seeds equal to 550 milligrams of magnesium. That's 138% of your daily need. Magnesium is the spark for muscle contractions. Without it, your muscles are a luxury car without battery. Stop the video now. Do you have night cramps, weak legs, tremors? These are warning signs of low magnesium. But there's more. Zinc. The World Health Organization revealed a terrifying fact. Elderly with zinc deficiency have 3 times more chance of dying from fall complication within 5 years. 30 grams of pumpkin seeds equals to 40% of daily zinc. It's your insurance policy against morbid statistics. Want real proof? Mr. João, 72 years old, dragged his feet, could barely get up from a chair. Tests: magnesium on the floor. He said he didn't want to supplement, preferred something natural. I suggested 30 grams of roasted pumpkin seeds, 160 degrees Celsius for 12 minutes every day. 2 weeks later, at follow-up, doctor, they turned on the switch in my legs. Attention, no salt. Salt spikes your blood pressure, roast pure or with herbs. So far, you have 3 powerful weapons, but the next 2, they completely change the game. Seed number 2, hemp, the genius protein. We've reached the aristocracy of proteins. Hemp seeds contain all 9 essential amino acids. In the plant kingdom, that is as rare as diamonds in your backyard. 3 tablespoons equals to 10 grams of superior protein. It's the difference between building high quality concrete or with beach sand. Remember that building that collapsed in Rio? But do you have a hidden allergy? 0.3% of population has severe hemp allergy. 2 of my patients told me they almost had an anaphylactic shock. Mandatory tests: rub 1 seed on your wrist, wait 15 minutes, redness or itching, don't consume. Sandra, 65, vegetarian, said her muscles were disappearing. 3 tablespoons of hemp in her morning smoothie. 3 months later, full body densitometry showed 12% increase in lean mass. And seed number 1, Amaranth, the ultimate weapon. And finally, ladies and gentlemen, the emperor of seeds, Amaranth, isn't the most complete protein in the planet, but it's the smartest for fighting sarcopenia. Why? 90% digestibility. This means your body can process and use almost everything. Compare Amaranth, 90% digestibility. Common beans, 65%. Soy, 75%. Other seeds, 60 to 70%. Do you understand the difference? It's not just about protein quantity. It's about how much your body uses. And here's the differential. Lysine, 2.1 grams per serving. The amino acid absent in most grains. Lysine is crucial for building collagen, rebuilding muscle fibers, strengthening tendons and ligaments. Why does this change everything for sarcopenia? Because elderly have difficulty absorbing protein. Amaranth offers protein that doesn't overload kidneys, amino acids that reach the muscles, peptides that reduce blood pressure, fibers that protects the intestine. A revolutionary Mexican study, 30 grams of amaranth for 8 weeks in elderly, 20% more grip strength, improved cardiac profile, reduced inflammatory markers. The honest truth, Amaranth doesn't beat egg in protein score, but for you over 50, it's the superior choice because it's gentle on kidneys, natural anti-inflammatory, protects the heart, costs 1/4 the price of meat. It's protein that works with your body, not against it. Perfect preparation. 1 cup of amaranth, 2.5 cups of water, 20 minutes gentle boil makes 3 powerful servings. Or make amaranth popcorn. We eat it at home. You don't even need oil. Now visualize with me. Close your eyes. It's early morning, 30 days from now. You wake up, your legs respond immediately. No dead weight. You walk to the kitchen, reach the high shelf without fear, without trembling, without imbalance. You feel solid, confident, independent. This isn't cheap motivational fantasy. It's pure chemistry. When you feed your body nutrients it can use. Open your eyes. This reality starts today. Amaranth is the enhancer. With its supreme digestibility and abundant lysine, it ensures all other nutrients have somewhere to anchor. Without adequate protein structure, the rest is waste. And the crucial mistake, I promise to review the 4 deadly sins of preparation. Number 1, whole flax seeds. Expensive trash. Grind fresh. Number 2, dry chia. Esophageal bomb. Hydrate 10 to 15 minutes. 3, pumpkin with salt. Blood pressure through the roof. Roast pure or with herbs. Number 4, any dry seeds. Straight in the mouth, Russian roulette that can kill you. Gradual implementation protocol. Write this down. Week 1, amaranth, 30 grams a day. Establish the base. Week 2, amaranth plus hydrated chia, 15 grams a day. Anti-inflammatory shield. Number 3, plus roasted pumpkin, 30 grams a day. Muscle energy. Week 4, plus ground flaxseed, 10 grams, plus hemp, 20 grams. Total less than $10 per week. Compare $100 supplements that deliver half the result. So there you have it. You just received the treasure map for your muscles. But here's the cruel truth. Every day without action is an inch of strength you don't recover. Study shows that after 70, the loss rate doubles. You are literally in a race against the clock. So here's my question. Would you rather invest $10 in seeds or 10,000 in caregivers 10 years from now? Oh, and sarcopenia doesn't take vacations. Neither should you. If you like this video, watch my video about a heart attack alone. What should you do? Watch it. I'm Dr. Andre Wamberg, cardiologist. This is Dr. Dre Health Tips, where we save muscles and lives. The choice is yours. The time is now. Until the next video, I promise it will be worth every second. Thank you.